Thinking about heading to Universal Studios in 2025? With Epic Universe now open, navigating the crowds is more crucial than ever. In this video, I'll show you 10 proven strategies based on real data and pro tips to maximize your day and avoid the chaos. Universal crowds peak around school breaks, spring break, summer, Thanksgiving, and Christmas, while mid-January, early February, and September to mid-October, weekdays are historically the least crowded. Why does this matter? Lower attendance equals fewer long lines, better deals, and more enjoyment overall. Pro tip, use crowd calendars like Undercover Tourist or Park Prodigy to select dates ranked 1 to 3 out of 10. Universal Express gets you into separate, shorter line. For Orlando, certain hotels include unlimited Express Pass access like Hard Rock or the Royal Pacific, making them worth the price. Why does this matter? Even on slower days, Express avoids batching in standby queues. Pro tip, consider Express and hotel or save the cost per minute saved before committing. Arriving 60 to 90 minutes before official open time gives you access to early park entry, or at least line up before the gates open. Arriving 60 to 90 minutes before official open time gives you access to early park entry, or at least line up before the gates open. This gives you 1 to 2 hours head start before the crowds peak. You can enjoy headliner rides like Velocicoaster or King Kong. Yes, I love King Kong. Like a walk-on before mainstream park goers arrive. Pro tip, use GPS traffic alerts and factor in bag checks. Doors often open before advertised times, so keep that in mind. With Epic Universe, especially the Wizarding World and Mario Land, expect the longest waits, okay? Data shows these lands draw mammoth crowds all through 2025. Restaurant wait times spike during lunch and dinner. Using Universal's app, pre-order meals during off-peak times like 11 a.m. or 3 p.m. Why does this matter? It saves you 20 to 40 minutes per meal and puts you back into lines earlier for all your favorite rides. Pro tip, set reminders for meal times in the app and check wait times across multiple venues. If Universal Studios is crowded, hop to Islands of Adventure or Volcano Bay, or vice versa. Or you can consider a multi-day visit, especially since Epic Universe requires multi-day attendance to be able to do everything. Why does this matter? Distributing yourself reduces pressure and enhances vacation relaxation. Pro tip, buy a park-to-park ticket and use midday jump strategies to avoid worst queues. Universal offers special ticketed events like FanFest nights where wait times drop dramatically and you get exclusive access to select rides. More on that in another video. Fewer crowds, unique experiences, shorter lines. Watch for announcements. Early bird tickets sell fast, keep that in mind. Afternoon storms are common. If you're unaware, lines will stop and you'll get soaked. Unexpected rain can derail plans and flush crowds into indoor spaces, increasing wait times. Pro tip, pack a poncho, stay near indoor attractions, and track radar updates via phone. Some rides, like Velocicoaster, offer single rider lines. Use them anytime the queue exceeds 30 minutes. It cuts wait times significantly. Though you'll ride separately from companions, it's still a fun experience. Pro tip, check each ride's boarding options in the app before committing to standby. Crowds hit midday heat peaks. If you're near capacity around 1 to 3 p.m., take a break, rest, swim, or watch a show. You'll return energized. Trust me, crowd levels often dip later in the afternoon as well. Use the app for crowd heat maps, or head to City Walk for a quiet lunch and recharge. Trust me, it is worth it. Those are the 10 proven tactics to dodge crowds and maximize your Universal Day in 2025. If you found this video helpful, Make sure you subscribe because it helps me out, and so you are tuned in to all of the magical mayhem. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!